Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Knowledge Sharing. Today we are looking at this question and it says evaluate x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 3 equals to 3 all over 64. So we are going to evaluate that for us to find the value of x from that equation. So we are given x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 3 equals to 3 all over 64. So here we have to transpose this to this other side. So this will become x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 3 minus, because this transpose into this other side, become minus 3 all over 64 equals to 0. So this 3 minus 3 all over 64 can be written as, you have minus 3 all over 64 can be written as minus 4 all over 64 plus 1 all over 64. So if you add this, it will give us this. So this is what we are going to add to this. So this will become x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 3 minus 4 all over 64 plus 1 all over 64 equals to 0. So here, this can be further simplified as x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 3 minus 4 all over 64 plus 1 all over 64 equals to 0. We can further simplify this as x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 3. Here will become minus, this is the same thing as 4 will cancel here 1 and 4 will cancel here. We have 16. So here will become 1 all over 16 plus 1 all over 64 equals to 0. So here can be written as x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 3 minus 1 all over 4 all to the power of 2 plus 1 all over 4 all to the power of 3 equals to 0. Because we have 16 as 4 times 4, which is 4 to the power of 2, and also 64 as 4 times 4 times 4, which is 4 to the power of 3. So that is why we have 4 to the power of 2 and also 4 to the power of 3. We all know that 1 to the power of 3 is 1 and 1 to the power of 2 is 1. So that is what we have here. So in this case, we can see that we have to the power of 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 2 to the power of 3. We can collect like terms. So this will become x to the power of 2. Taking this to this other side become minus 1 all over 4 all to the power of 2. Then we have minus x to the power of 3. Take this to this other side become plus 1 all over 4 all to the power of 3 equals to 0. You can see that from this other side, this negative sign divide the whole of this side and this side. So this other side we have difference of 2 square, and this other side we have additional of 2 cube. So here this difference of 2 square is in the form, so we have this, we need to clean this. So from here, this is the same thing as having x to the power of 2 minus 1 all over 4 to the power of 2. So here we take negative sign, which is minus. When we divide the whole of here by minus, it will give us x to the power of 3. Dividing the whole of here by minus will give us minus 1 all over 4 to the power of 3, all equals to 0. You can see that the difference between this side and this side, this is another bracket. Difference between here and here is this negative sign. So this other side we have difference of 2 square, and this other side we have difference of 2 cube. So therefore, difference of 2 square, when we say note, we have a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2 is same thing as a plus b all into a minus b. And difference of 2 cube, when we have a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 the same thing as a minus b into a to the power of 2 plus ab plus b to the power of 2. So what we are going to do now for us to express this to that expression and express this to that expression. Therefore, that value of this other side will give us, because this is our a and this is our b, so this other side will give us x plus 1 all over 4, because this is our b, all into x minus 1 all over 4. This is for this other side. Then this other side, we have it as, we bring down the negative sign, we have it as a minus b, which is, this is our a and this is our b. So this will become x minus 1 all over 4 into x to the power of 2 plus ab, which is 1 all over 4x, then plus b to the power of 2, that is 1 all over 4 all to the power of 2. So we can write this well. So this will become x plus 1 all over 4 into x minus 1 all over 4. Then we have minus x minus 1 all over 4 into x to the power of 2 plus 1 all over 4x plus 1 all over 16, because 4 to the power of 2 is 16. So this is equals to 0. This is what we have now. So in this case, we can write this as x all over 4, not 1x, x all over 4 plus 1 all over 16. So here, further simplification, this will give us, here we can see that this negative sign divide here and here, or separate here and here. So we have here and here is similar. We can use x minus 1 all over 4 to factor it out. So we have x minus 1 all over 4 into, when we divide the whole of here by here, will give us x plus 1 all over 4. Then dividing the whole of here by here will give us minus x to the power of 2 plus x all over 4 plus 1 all over 16, all equals to 0. So this is what we have. The next step is for us to, okay, this is, we have two parentheses here. So we can expand this for us to multiply all through by minus, or the negative sign. So this will become x minus 1 all over 4 into, we have here x plus 1 all over 4. Minus times there will become minus x to the power of 2 minus x all over 4 minus 1 all over 16, all equals to 0. So here, further simplification, this will give us x minus 1 all over 4. Then we have here, take this to the front, we have minus x to the power of 2. So we have here x minus x all over 4 will give us plus 3x all over 4. So we have the next one as, we bring down this plus 1 all over 4 minus, we bring down this 1 all over 16, all equals to 0. So we have this. The next step, this will become x minus 1 all over 4. Then we have minus x to the power of 2. So this is plus 3x all over 4. Then when we add this will give us plus 3. Okay, taking the LCM of these two, we have 16. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. So now 16 divided by 16 will give us 1. 1 times 1 is minus 1. Therefore, 4 minus 1 will give us 3 all over 16. So this will become 3 all over 16, all equals to 0. So that is what we have now. The next step is for us to clean this. So as we said, this is two parentheses. The first one is x minus 1 all over 4. Then the second parenthesis is minus x to the power of 2 plus, or we can multiply all through by negative for us to have clear this negative sign. So this will become, multiplying all through by negative, minus times minus will become x to the power of 2. Minus times this will become minus 3x all over 4. Then minus 3 all over 16, all equals to 0. You can see that the first parenthesis is either the first parenthesis is equal to 0 or the second one equals to 0. Let's take one after the other. So we have here x minus 1 all over 4 equals to 0. Therefore, when this transposes into the other side, we have x equals to 1 all over 4. So this is the first value of x that we have. Then taking the second parenthesis, which is x to the power of 2 minus 3x all over 4 minus 3 all over 16 equals to 0. For us to find the value of x, we need to use a quadratic formula for us to find the value of x. Before we do that, we can multiply all through by 16 for us to clear this fraction. So this will become 16 times x to the power of 2 minus 3x all over 4 times 16 minus 3 all over 16 times 16 equals to 0. Here will become 16x to the power of 2. 4 will cancel here and 4 will cancel here 4. Therefore, 4 times 3x is minus 12x. Then this will become 16 will go here and 16 will go here, minus 3 equals to 0. So here, our quadratic formula is in the form of x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b to the power of 2 minus 4ac all over 2a. From this equation, our value of a equals to 16. Then our value of b equals to minus 12. Then our value of c equals to minus 3. So substituting this parameter into this quadratic formula, we are going to have the value of x, which will definitely have plus or minus, and it will have two solutions. So from there, this will become x equals to minus b. Our minus b is minus 12. We have minus into minus 12 plus or minus square root of b to the power of 2, which is minus 12 to the power of 2, minus 4 times a. Our a is 16 times c. Our c is minus 3 all over 2a. 2a, our a is 16. Therefore, we have x equals to minus times minus 12 will give us 12 plus or minus square root of, this is minus 12 squared, will give us 144 minus 4 times 16 times minus 3 will give us plus 192 all over 2 times 16 is 32. So in this situation, this is the same thing as x equals to 12 plus or minus square root of 144 plus 192 will give us 336 all over 32. So from here, we can further simplify this as x equals to 12 plus or minus square root of 16 times 21 all over 32. This is the same thing as 12 plus or minus square root of 16 times square root of 21 all over 32. In this case, our x equals to 12 plus or minus square root of 16 is 4, and we have root 21 all over 32. So from here, we can see that 4 is common between here. We can factor it out. So this will become 4 into this divided by 4 will give us 3 plus this divided by 4 will remain root 21 all over 32. In this case, 4 will cancel here 1 and 4 will cancel here 8. Therefore, our value of x equals to, this is 3, okay, this is plus or minus 3 plus or minus root 21 all over 8. And we have two solutions from here, which is 2 and 3. So the first one was x equals to 1 all over 4. So the second one, which we have here as x2, will be equals to 3 plus root 21 all over 8. And therefore, x3 will be equals to 3 minus root 21 all over 8. So these are the three values of x that we have, and it satisfies this expression. If you like what we're doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share a video for more interesting topics. Thank you.